Welcome to Organic Art Miniatures Advent Calendar 2025. We are filming every day from the Miniature Cat homes, the Organic Art Miniatures Cat homes. So this is the home, and this is inside the home. And here we have the Miniature Cat home kitchen and table and friends, the goose, the flowery woman. She's dressing the Christmas tree, and the little puppy and some mail, and we have the pig is here and the llama is here and everybody's here and the cat is here, and we're wishing you a great 1st of December.